Let's learn animals. Lion. Lion. This is lion. Tiger. Tiger. This is tiger. Bear. Bear. This is bear. Fox. Fox. This is fox. Giraffe. Giraffe. This is giraffe. Elephant. Elephant. This is an elephant. Zebra. Zebra. This is zebra. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is kangaroo. Monkey. Monkey. This is monkey. Thanks for watching.